A bank employee drives 10 kilometers towards the south from her house and turns to her left and drives another 20 kilometers. She again turns left and drives 40 kilometers. She turns to right and drives for another 5 kilometers. She again turns to her right and drives another 30 kilometers to reach her bank where she works. What is the shortest distance between bank and her house? Now how is this question different from 2025 वाला क्वेश्चन? कैसे ये डिफरेंट है? यहाँ पर स्पेसिफिकली पूछा है शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. 2025 वाले क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था डिस्टेंस क्या है. यहाँ स्पेसिफिकली दे आर सेइंग शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. तो अब वी विल हैव टू मेक द डायग्राम एंड देन वील हैव टू लुक फॉर द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, दैट इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन डिस्टेंस. स्ट्रेट लाइन डिस्टेंस कैसे निकालते हैं? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके. सो लेट्स do that. Bank employee drives 10 kilometers towards south. Let's say she starts from this point. She drives 10 kilometers towards south. Sorry, this is 10 kilometers towards south and turns to her left. So from here she turns left and drives another 20 kilometers. She drives another 20 kilometers. She again turns left and drives 40 kilometers. So again she turns left and drives 40 kilometers. Then she turns to her right and drives for another 5 kilometers. So towards right for another 5 kilometers. She again turns to her right and drives another 30 kilometers. From here she turns to right and drives 30 kilometers to reach her bank. Now अच्छी बात क्या है अभी आपको समझ में आएगा. So to reach her bank where she works, this is her bank. What is the shortest distance? Now shortest distance कैसे निकालेंगे? From here till here I'll have to measure the straight line path between her house and her bank, her office. What is this distance that is I'm supposed to find? The good thing is this is 10, this is 30 and this particular distance is given to us as 40. मतलब ये एक एग्जैक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बन गई आपकी कॉपी में. अगर ये 40 और 30 में से कुछ भी छोटा बड़ा होता तो we would not have got this as particular straight horizontal line. Now here this is 10, so this also becomes 10. This is 30, so this becomes 30. This is 20, so this becomes 20. This is 5, so this becomes 5. From here I can directly say that the distance from this point to this point is 25 kilometers. तो यहाँ पाइथागोरस लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी बिकॉज आपका हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस था, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस इज 0. हैड देयर बीन अ वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस, मैं पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल कैलकुलेट करता, मैं वर्टिकल कैलकुलेट करता एंड देन यहाँ पर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करके आई वुड हैव फाउंड द करेक्ट आंसर या द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस.